My name is Marco Maggiolo. I'm the operational director of the group. I'm responsible for the entire supply chain from procurement, purchasing, manufacturing, and shipping toward the distribution centers. We drive to make the best machine with a team, with the best materials, to make a perfect coffee for every coffee lover. I think the Saeco range of products, from beverage to espresso to professional, can meet any wishness of the people concerning coffee. So they can complete any type of experience they want to taste. Quality for me is one of the key pillars for the business and for myself, driving it as a must to make top product and top satisfaction of our customer. There is a continuous improvement to create a perfect brew coffee, not only through the enhancement of the patent we do have, but also looking for alternative solutions that will improve the quality of the coffee, the thickness of the cream, and the pure taste we have.